If you need to cancel a Google Calendar event, whether it's a one-time meeting or part of a recurring series, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to delete the event properly and, if needed, notify guests the right way. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this in your web browser by going to calendar.google.com and signing into the Google account that has access to the event you want to cancel. Once Google Calendar loads, take a look at your calendar view and find the event you want to remove. You can scroll through the day, week, or month view, or use the search function if you need to locate it faster. When you see the event, click on it to open the event details. This will bring up a pop-up or a side panel showing the title, time, location, and any guests who have been invited. Now look for the Delete button, which is usually shown as a trash can icon. Click Delete to begin cancelling the event. If you are the event organizer, Google Calendar may ask you to confirm what happens next, especially if guests have been invited. In that case, click Send when prompted, so the guests are notified that the event has been cancelled. This is an important step because it helps prevent confusion and lets everyone know the meeting is no longer happening. If the event is a recurring event, Google Calendar will give you a few options before deleting it. You can choose this event if you only want to cancel a single occurrence. You can choose this and following events if you want to cancel the selected event and everything after it in the series. Or you can choose all events if you want to delete the entire recurring series from your calendar. Take a moment to choose the option that matches what you need, because this determines exactly what gets removed. Once you confirm your choice, Google Calendar will remove the cancelled event from your calendar. If the event had invited guests, it will also be removed from their calendars as well. That means everyone on the invite list will see the event disappear, and if you sent the cancellation notice, they'll be informed automatically. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to cancel a Google Calendar event, including how to handle guest notifications and recurring meetings correctly. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.